Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 1.4% in the last session. The ROC's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.9% in the last session. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an overbought market.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Gold started March on a positive note, with prices rising to a 2-month high to end last week after muted economic data hardened expectations of a US interest rate cut by June. Global factories struggled to claw their way out of decline in February, with European powerhouse Germany squeezed by a steeper fall in demand, while an uneven recovery in China overshadowed some signs of improvement in Asia. US stocks rose to end last week, with the S&P 500 and Nasdaq closing at record highs as technology stocks rallied on continued enthusiasm for artificial intelligence, with further support from declining Treasury yields.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US 6-month bill auction will be released at 16:30 GMT, the US 3-month bill auction at 16:30 GMT, Spain's unemployment change at 0800 hours GMT. Japan's Tokyo Consumer Price Index will be released at 23:30 GMT. Korea's gross domestic product growth at 2300 hours GMT. Italy's gross domestic product at 0900 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.